Kani gadega Patisi TV.
Henne kasngi ka arpulai terek Jemang. Arphongot ki Rangbah na ka Mountain Road constituency bat ka Jirang constituency. Kila Pynïasoh no bat ka Weipat ka Sengsan Partai ka National People's Party ne ka NPP. Kini ki dikhot ki bala Pynïasoh sya ka NPP ki Kynthup ru ya arngot ki MLA barem ka Jirang constituency kata uba Snomik Kalwing bat Reverend G Lingdo. Bala pedang buram ki hak jelang ka baralong hak office trekam jong ka National People's Party ka baran hala shumia shilong. Hakini ke jelang laidon lang ki he nong ilam ka NPP Kynthup ru yu MP ka Lok Sabha Natura Parliamentary Seat ubadai ru National President ka NPP u Conrad ke Sangma nang tau MLA kani ka Seng u James ke Sangma bat ki wede ki nong ilam jong kani ka Seng.
After some years, right from the time of this Mughal Sangma and Jilapang, their time is quite different from those of PS Sangma and Captain Sangma and FC Mara. I like their style of function, but these people, I tell you up till now, I was in the Congress, but I never recognized Mughal Sangma. I never recognized him, I never meet him up till now. So there you understand that we are very, very far from each other. We never understand each other. And at the same time, the whole House of Congress is the house of quarrel. We quarrel. Anything we used to quarrel. So there is no unity. So I was in the crossroad, what to do, where to go. We are in the government, but we can do nothing. So when we are in government is a party system. We should have power to do something to help the people. But we cannot do anything. It is just like running the government by some people only, not by the public. So I have to find a way out. I am not a man who quarrel. Even my family also, I never quarrel. I don't like to quarrel. So in the village also, I don't like to quarrel. In the party, when I be in Congress, so I don't like to be to quarrel each other. So I want to avoid this. So when I am in the crossroad, I study all the situations, mostly during the by-election, MP by-election in Tuba. 24 segments of constituency. NPP won 23. That shows me the way. That the way is telling us that this NPP will form the government, because that is signal. And at the same time, I was also very friendly with the PSM. I worked together with him. So now when this son come up, I think I'm feeling very bad if I'm not working along with them. So I work together with them. I hope they will not follow the bad way of administration. I think they have to work for the interest of the people in the whole state without taking into consideration to any community.
Habakaran halor kawai pat kapang. Conrad ke Sangma ulai tho bakaladan kejing keren bat ki MLA ke Seng Kongres ki baran hakasuki menta ki bakwa ban Pynïasoh no bat ke NPP. Nalor kani ulo angru bakadang long ke bakloi palat ban kam bakat noteli ki seat ke NPP Kynthup hakani ke election hak snam ahzar khatpra. Henry ke parti kalong ke bakloi ban yatrelang bat kinu ki parti Leit no ke Seng Kongres. Lakadai hak pre-poll alliance lani ke post alliance. Habakan tho yo Dr. Mukul Sangma u Conrad ke Sangma ulaong baki menteri hak sarkar jela Kim Don Bor Pynïasoh handai ke debet ke jingle Don Bor jong Dr. Mukul Sangma marwai bat dei nakane ba lawan ra ya ke jing bam yasutho jing mot sho hapadang ki menteri jong ke Seng Congress.
People of the state are looking for a change, and when the people start expecting a change, demanding a change, desiring a change, obviously the leaders who represent these people, even they are compelled to react and respond. And I think yes, we have also heard the news that there are people coming in, and definitely our party is a party which is looking at growing in the state, and we look forward to be able to form the government in 2018 with the support of these leaders. So therefore we welcome and we are working hard to communicate with like-minded people, individuals who believe in the ideology of the party, who believe in taking the people forward, who believe in taking the state forward. So we want to give opportunity to all these leaders to come and join with us. In fact, I use the media's platform to welcome them and ask all of them to come and join the party. Yes, so we can work and we can change the state and bring the state to bigger heights, better heights. So yes, we are discussing, we are talking to different leaders, and we are hoping that we will see positive response from them. The person who has joined the NPP now, he said that he never even got a chance to meet the Chief Minister. It clearly shows that it was more of a dictatorship government where he individually made policies, individually implemented, and so is individually responsible for what is the state of affairs of the state. So therefore I think it will be incorrect tomorrow to say that oh, the Congress person who was president there, he has joined, even he is to blame. We can't. We are all aware of the style of functioning. It has been a one-man show, and I think the entire responsibility has to be taken by that person. And I think it is the frustration level among the leaders who worked under the current Chief Minister. It is precisely the reason that there was no democratic process that they feel that they need to leave.
Habaya keren pat halor ka jingmi khubor ka bedai bar ka jingkam ka kanhon king atiar jong ka rilom ka sijantia ka nyau trap National Liberation Council ne ke HNLC bau menteri Rangbah ka jela Dr. Mukul Sangmau la pan jerap na ka HNLC na ka benta ke election ajar khat pra banwan kabana kalyang Dr. Mukul Sangmau pat ula kantan halor kani na kalyang James ke Sangmau loong bakidan kidaw ki baklan bangen ba hakani ka jelahi kadan ka jingdai ka bejan hapadang ki reusan partai bat ki kanhon king atiar kumbala pan pau da way dukhot ka ANVC bau Dr. Mukul Sangmau la panon kam diki seng le no pan pentrem bat penyo jingmentoi haki kam san hima sima jong u James Sangmau loong ro bakani ka jing pandon kam ki kanhon le no kadai ka jing penyap ya ka sensar pat ba bat la daw Dr. Mukul Sangmau usngau ba ukhoj halor kani udai ban khot bat pha toket da National Investigative Agency kanang baki aka baro kin pau shai.
The HNLC leadership has claimed that the present Chief Minister Dr. Mukul Sangmau has sought the help of the underground during the elections. Well, this is something that doesn't come as a surprise to us because in the past, if you all recall and remember, there was one incident where one person of the ANVC had very openly come out and said that Dr. Mukul Sangmau had used the underground to coerce, to threaten certain MLAs during the government making process. And now another expose has come to light wherein the HNLC has mentioned something like that. Although it doesn't come as a surprise to us, but at the same time we are very concerned that the present Chief Minister would stoop down to such levels. He is using such tactics during the elections, and no matter what he says, he may deny it, but I think the number of instances where his name has cropped up, the number of instances where it has been brought out that he is using such elements for electoral and for political gains is a matter of great concern, and we wholly condemn it as a party. We believe that politico-militant nexus is very bad for democracy. It is basically a murder of democracy, and we have time and time again maintained that this should be investigated by the NIA, because only when the NIA, an independent institution, comes and investigates this will we come to see what the truth of the matter is. So if the Chief Minister is really refuting and is calling these allegations baseless, then I don't think he should be worried about an NIA investigation. He should, matter of fact, welcome it. For all we know, HNLC may be also coming up with a story. So if he is not really concerned, then I think along with our demand for an NIA investigation, Chief Minister himself should welcome it. I think it will set the record straight, it will bring about clarity in this whole issue, and I think it will establish that Meghalaya does not have political militant nexus. This is a very big concern for our party, and our party believes that this is very wrong and it should not be encouraged and practiced.
Kani Gadega Patisi TV